Alright, hey, how's it going? This is my first video, so it's probably not gonna be, and I got a really crappy camera, but I'm just gonna do a quick review on a Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Climber Edition. You can pick this up pretty much anywhere. I picked mine up at a Walmart. So, the first thing is this small knife. It's pretty sharp, and it's really good for opening boxes. And then switch over to your larger knife, which is more for cutting your foods and stuff like that. And then there's your scissors, which are actually pretty sharp, and they're really good. So I highly recommend getting a version of these with scissors on them, because you'll end up regretting it if you don't. And then there's your can opener. It's really good, actually. A lot of people don't think it's that good, and if you're strong enough, it works better than the twist knob can openers. And then there's your bottle opener, which has a wire stripper under it, and then there's the screwdriver tip right there, and there's also one on this one right never mind. So that can be used as a wedge, but don't overestimate it, because it can't support that much weight. Then there's your standard corkscrew. Everybody knows there's a corkscrew. And then if you look in, right, there's a little niche there. I don't know if probably can't see that there. That probably a bit better, but there's a little niche there, right where the corkscrew goes. There should be a hole where you can put a straight pin or whatever you want to put there. Then there's a hook. You can pretty much, not really of much use. And then there's this little reamer or a hole punch, which most people think it's like, what are we going to use that for? You can use it to punch holes, or it's good self-defense. Don't tell anybody I told you that. And there's a little hole right there, if you can see that. And then, you know, your toothpick right there, tweezers right there. So overall, I think this is one of the best Swiss Army knives for everyday carry. Oopsie. Clean it regularly. I mean, that's basically that's what I use a toothpick for. And as you can see, when I'm not a fan personally of when they start getting thicker than how tall they are, because then they start being a drag to carry, and it's not good everyday carry, so it's not that good. So I prefer smaller ones, and this is basically as big as I get, unless I'm going on a camping trip. But this is my everyday carry, and it comes in handy a lot. And there's a little key string right there in case you want to put it on anything. So this is my first video. I don't know if I said that already, so it's probably really bad. But like, comment, subscribe.